Hey, I didn't fight my way to the top of the food chain to be a vegetarian. You're welcome. Serving in the Army in 2012, Jeremy met Ashley. They got married, had baby Sam. Jeremy got medically released from the Army, and this brings us up to today. Hey, so today I'm going to show you something real quick here. We did an upgrade to the Jeep. So we drive down the dirt road like quite a ways to get into our property. And well, there's no street lights or anything because it's up on a small mountain in the woods. So anyways, what we do have now to help us see better, because the lights on the Jeep are not that great, we added this light bar. It's going to be a huge improvement because, well, it's super bright. And I'm going to just show you real quick how I set it up. So there she is. I got it from Oxbeam. So there it is, right up there. Pretty sweet. Just runs down to my battery here. And then I got a switch that runs in behind the firewall here. And then I can just flicker on from the inside. It came with all that stuff from the company, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go give her a little test here at night and show you how it lights up. It's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, quick before I go out there, it came with these brackets. They have like all these different brackets for depending on the vehicle you have. It's all like fitted to your vehicle. So like this here goes in and around here perfectly. The only problem I personally had was that, and it's my problem, is that my bolts here for the Jeep are all stripped and just brutal. So one of them came out, so I attached that, and then I self-tap a couple more to hold it in. So, but it's all good. It's nice and tight up here. But it fits nice, clean finish. You can see it there. It just goes right alongside the window perfectly. And then just attaches up there to the light. Pretty sweet. It's a nice, clean finish on it. So it came with all that stuff, so it was a real easy setup. Nice and tight up there. Let's test her out. Okay, so I'm on a back road here. I don't have my high beams on, but I do have little LED lights on the bumper. See right there? That's them on. That's high beams on. That's all the lights I have on. But now that the new light bar here, that's with the light bar. Check that out. It's crazy. It's intense. I love it. There's a lot of moose, deer, and big game out here, so it's really going to help like driving out the back roads and all that, and seeing all that stuff. So it's pretty sweet. All right, so that's pretty sweet as you saw. So links below, you can get a discount code on that stuff. You can check out all kinds of stuff on their website. The website's pretty sweet, especially if you're an off-roader or just somebody who lives out in the woods, or maybe just somebody wants some cool features on different things in the cars. Headlights, cool headlights, light bars, all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out, Oxbeam, discount codes, links below, all that information. Pretty cool, and it's came with everything to throw this bar on. This is like a huge help for us, so check it out. Okay, so we're gonna do some more strapping.
Yay!
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's it is what it is.
No, it isn't that bad at all.
No, the weather's nice today. It's like crazy nice today.
Feels like spring. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's like just slightly above freezing, but for us, I mean, that's crazy.
Yeah, super nice. And luckily, all the snow is melted on the trusses. So yes, last time we were here, I had to wipe them all off and my mittens were like soaked, but today it's already off, so that's a bonus.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Maple syrup season's coming soon too.
Yes.
You look around, if you ever notice, like certain times we'll be looking a certain way and you'll see the tape on there. That's for, we got about 20 trees we'll do this year. The only thing we don't have, we have all of our supplies. We kept everything. The only thing we don't have is a boiler. So we had the old oil tank before, and we'll
have to come up with something this year.
Maybe even that.
I don't know.
That worked well because we have trays and stuff.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, if we can find one. If not, we'll make something. We'll build a fire pit.
Yeah, I'd rather just get that and cut a hole in it. That'd be super, super easy.
Oh, yeah. Anyway.
All right, we're going to get up on the roof and keep doing this.
I like all the snow because I feel more confident getting up on the roof, that if I fall, I'm not going to die.
Yeah, right.
So it's been fun.
She wouldn't even go up there otherwise.
Yeah.
So a lot of snow on the inside, but we'll deal with her one of these days.
You're right. Get to that.
Yeah, we just try to just keep going with the build for now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only so much time in the run of a day.
Yeah. Only do what you can do.
Yeah. All right. We're doing it. Not sure if you can see like these other pieces up here and stuff. They're just, like, these ones are good, but These ones here, I just threw them out because that's what we had here, just to tie the trusses up for now. And then obviously they're only like 1x3, 1x4. So the 2x4 will be up higher and they'll just be basically redundant underneath it. So we're just going to continue this. Alright, so we're coming out the gable here like we did on the other side. We're coming out, it was going to be a 12-inch overhang, but the trusses are 14, so I'm just matching it on the gable. So it doesn't matter. So that's what's coming out here, so a 14-inch overhang. So that's why we're running out here, just build the ladder as we go, and we'll put the fascia board off that later. But you might have noticed when I'm throwing the strapping up, I'm kind of like up and down and stuff. You notice that little piece of block I have? That's to keep the 16 on center. That's like loosely, right? It's just, it's easier if I just throw full 10 footers and stuff, and some of them are a little different lengths sometimes too, with some of the wood I have down here. So I just want to be able to toss them all up. But then I make sure to have this here, so it works out at 14, that has to work out. But the rest I'm kind of like, you know, ish. And it's still good though where my lines will work out for my bolts, because I'll just run the line like right down the middle of whatever and it'll catch them all, if you know what I'm talking about with the strapping up there. So by the time the metal's on, it'll all look good. Yeah, nice and strong and all that stuff. So there you go. I'm going to cut the next one for this to work out at 14. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, now like we'll run all these out 14, and then we'll attach our fascia board to the other side of it like we did in the garage and the cabin and stuff. You can check that up here. Cool.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried. All the years that I've wasted trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. Early blue morning, when everything's cold, I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind.
I'll just stand beside you.
Yeah.
I'm kind of in a hole here.
Buried in the snow.
Why did I decide to stand in a snowbank?
I don't know.
Well, we got one side of the roof. We're just about done.
Yes.
We're gonna pick up the wood for the other side and hopefully have a nice day. And this is a beautiful day
Yeah, today was lovely.
to throw them on. So that's about it for today. We're gonna load the stuff in the tractor and take it out to the truck.
Yeah. It's been fun, like getting it done on these nicer days, that's for sure. Makes it more entertaining.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Not so like, I don't know, just not so freezing cold.
Yeah, for sure. Anyway.
It'll get done.
Yep, one half just about finished. Yoo-hoo! Then it's onto the metal.
Yeah, that's when I want a nice day.
Yeah,
Dealing with metal because I'll be barehanded in it.
you're right. So anyway, we'll see you in the next one. We're off to get more wood.
Yeah, later.